All right, I'm late, but this is the trade I'm in. Let's go. Live trading. So you can see I have this box with the 8 to 815 high and low range marked out. Market open. Waited for a retest of this midpoint. I got it. And now we're waiting. Let's see what happens. I am worried about this bearish imbalance, but hopefully if we can just invalidate this, then I'll feel a little bit better. Got a lot of wickage in here right now. But we also have this bullish imbalance as kind of a safety net, and that hasn't been tapped yet. So maybe, ooh, come on. We got 40 seconds. I don't like how much time we got. All right, at least we pushed past it. Oh, shoot. I just moved my thing. Can I lock this? Lock. All right. Yeah, worst case, this hits this, comes down, fills this bullish imbalance, and hopefully we might be home free. Sitting at a 1-to-3 ratio, which is good because my TP is just below this London high here. So it's very safe risk to reward ratio. And yeah, there's also a relative high right here, which is pretty close. Oh, we invalidated it. Okay, that's great. All right, that means I feel pretty safe. So now the next thing I'm worried about is this high and man, that's kind of old. I'm not really worried about that. And it's pre-market. Really just all these little points of liquidity right here. I'm just going to mark this out, make it black, just so I feel a little safer, so I can see what I'm actually doing. Not that I'm going to do anything at these levels. I just kind of want to see what's going on. Why is this one thicker than this one? That's weird. All right, like if we could have formed a bullish imbalance, that would have been great, but we did not. I really want to experiment with like partials, but not today. Like partial take profits, so I could set my partial take profits at certain highs. But I really don't know. I know how to use buy limits, but not really. So yeah, if we can just form, yeah, we're gonna have to wait. Yeah, I'd say if we close above this high, plus maybe get a bullish imbalance, that'd be great. I don't like that we just touched 79%. Well, actually, yeah, because that's a reversal confluence, actually, I think, if I remember. I look, never use this anymore. I switched up my strategy. I never use 79% extension. Okay, so we wicked past this high here. This was such an early high, 931. Like, that's not even significant. So, I'm just going to wait. I do suspect at some point in the day that price is going to try and take out this London high here. It will not go untested. Let's see, what is that? I don't even want to know. Asia low was already touched. Got all this chop in here. Looking pretty good. Ooh, all right, so if we can just close All right, if we can just get a blue candlestick here. No, stay up a little bit just for 20 seconds. Then we're gonna get another bullish imbalance, and that's gonna help me feel a little bit better. Here, I will move my stop loss to break even at maybe this high point right here. All right, great. Yeah, because I think it wants to take out all these highs, bro. Like you have all this low resistance liquidity right here, all this chop. You got some stuff right here. London high, and it's a big high. Like it's a good spike. It's not like pushing in to this bullish imbalance. Please don't validate this. Wow, okay. Let me just see what my other... Oh, it's locked. Oh my god, who tweeted, bro? Who tweeted? Alright, we do still have this bullish gap just above our stop. But we're creating these huge bearish gaps. And I don't like it. But also, we did just get a significant break and retest again at the midpoint. So hopefully, if this retest was invalid, which is the one I entered on, this one might be a little bit better. But with these gaps here, I don't really like this position. I gotta get a haircut, bro. And we just barely touched that bullish gap at the bottom. It's just like, look at this giant brick, bro. What is that? Still early in the day, though. It's 9:50. At the end of the day, these are just indicators. I mean, who knows if price will always respect fair value gaps, the fair value gap indicator. Not 100% of the time. So I'll just wait, and at that point, if I come back and sweep out this high, then I'll set my stop to break even. Because at that point, there's nothing up here that should cause price to reverse. There's this, but I think that's too, like, that's really far away. Oh my god. Alright, we're inside of the storm right now, bro. Yeah, 'cause even 1 to 2 is below this high. Like, there's nothing that should cause this to not. Like, this was a huge retrace, bro. Closed below 79%. Bearish gaps out the wazoo. I mean, I'll be praising the Lord if this can invalidate this huge one. We almost got above it. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, 5 seconds, bro. Nah, 5 seconds, bro. 1. Let's go. And we got a giant bullish gap. And we wicked out this other small bearish gap. No, 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 no. Come back, come back. No, no, no. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Let's go to the 5-minute. Chop. Absolute barcode. What is that? Can you get this off my screen, please? Yeah, this is disgusting. I hate this. I think it's just still deciding where it wants to go on the bigger time frame. And then yeah, I don't know, bro. Giant gap right here on the 10-minute. Gaps on the 5-minute. 3-minute gap. 2-minute gap. 1-minute gap. Okay, well, no, hold on. Like, but I don't know. Like, what is this huge wickage, bro? It's ridiculous. Bro, 11 seconds, bro. Please invalidate that, bro. I'll do anything. I'll do. Just as I have foreseen. Yeah, now it's about to crash into fucking sub-zero. Yeah, like at this point, should I set my stop to break even? I should. Yeah, I will. Why not? Because you have no other gaps. All right. Stops at break even, just so you know. I might low key. Bro, I might just take profit at this high, bro. Like, do I have the time to play this out, bro? I might just take profit at this high. Because that's still, what, 1.65? What time is it? 9? It's 10. There's no positive confluences. Like, I'm not seeing anything. Like, yeah, we have this London high up here, but I don't think it's... Dude, it's like barely breaking out of our range. And it's just constantly retesting midpoint. Yeah, I'll set take profit at this high. Like, I know I'm not supposed to, but, dude. Like, should I, though? I don't know. I'm trying to look for patterns. Like, there's no patterns. Absolutely. Like, what is this, bro? Like, I'll check for a retest. Do we get a 79... Or not retest, this little retrace. If we get a 79... Bro, like, it's gonna be so bad. Because 79 closures at break even. Oops, that's not what I wanted. We do have EQ. Here, I'll leave my take profit at my 1 to 3, but based on what I see when we get to this high, I will make a decision. Because we have EQ, no bad gaps, all this liquidity up here. There's no reason for price to want to take out these highs, bro. Who tweeted? Who tweeted, bro? All right, this is hitting break even. Wow. That's actually disgusting. Oh my god, it's edging it. What is it doing?
Order filled.
Oh my god, that was loud. All right, so we got break even. Great. -5 on the day. Oh no. Yeah, what an awful... Like, there's literally nothing. There's no reason for price to reverse right here. Oh shit.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna go again for... Right, so I'm in another one. Only because we did get another break. I don't. I should have. I low key. Yeah, this is a bad idea. I mean, I could. Little gap right here. I mean, this is a clean retest, but dude, I don't even know. I might just set my thing to this high up here, bro. Still have this gap down here. Bro. Like, I feel fine taking this. Like, there's no reason for me to close out up here because there's, like, nothing. There's this gap, but it's so far away, and it goes in, like, the middle of it. Yeah, watch this little thing take out the entire thing. Yo, do not let this... Can we invalidate this, please? You have 10 seconds. Do what you want with it. It's empty. Yo, what did I tell you, bro? Oh my god, what did I tell you to do? Listen to what I tell you to do. The least you can do is keep this little bullish gap. So yeah, my take profit's actually up here, guys. And I could set my stop below this gap. I should. 3 times. Or maybe if we get... What should I do for break even stop? Like here? Alright, this will be my break even stop. No way this gap is slamming us right now, bro. This is the only thing on the chart that's causing us to... That's actually ridiculous. No, like, that's crazy. I do think... Tap... Yeah, sure. I'm just going off of, like, literally nothing, basically. This tiny little high point. Yo. I don't know how many times I can rely on this gap, bro. Oh my god. It's not even... My stop's all the way down here. Should I move it up? I should for a better ratio, but I feel like that's going to absolutely take this out. Because that's the only thing I have. That's the only thing I'm using. There's this low, which is where, basically where my stop is. That's not even really a low. There's this low. I don't know. This whole situation sucks. Yo, can we hit something, bro? I'm just going to place this here as a theoretical 3-point stop. This is not where my actual stop is. My stop's at 5 points. Sorry if I'm placing a lot of confusing lines. It's just these are high draws of liquidity. This is my take profit. This is my break even. This is just a random line to see if it breaks below this gap, and this is my actual stop down here. Here, yeah, all right. Oh my god, this sucks, bro. These tiny little gaps, bro. Oh my god, my mic. Where is my... Where is my thing? Alright, my stop's a little bit higher than it shows here. Alright, this is my actual... This is my actual position. Yeah, we're not rotating out of this down slope, bro. Jeez. I mean, again, like, some might say, like, you should have taken up here, but, like, there's literally nothing... There's literally nothing that would have made me take out, like, close my position here. There's no reason for me to not believe that this was going to hit full 1 to 3 TP, bro. There was no reason. And we invalidated that gap. And we are cooked.
Order filled.
Thank you, Top Step. And we suck at trading. Where are we going? Where, literally, what low are we going to? What is this? What are you? Yeah, we're about to go to like 2004 lows, bro. What are we doing? It's actually ridiculous. It's crazy. All right, so we're down $211 today. I'm fine because I executed my trades exactly how I would have any other day. That takes out my 160 from yesterday and a little bit more. All right. You win some, you lose some, bro. That's the whole game. So I'm chilling, taking a loss. You know, hopefully tomorrow. So, you know, I took a trade right here off this first retest, stop at 5 points. Targeted 1 to 3. This looked beautiful. Like, there was no reason that price shouldn't have at least gone to this high right here. But I guess not. And then I broke even, came back, placed another, a little bit higher than midpoint. for some weird ratio. I don't even know. It was like 1 to 3 or something. Yeah. 1 to 1.3. Yeah. We just shot below, bro. That is crazy. I don't even know what we're going towards. All right, well, school's off. School's been off for the past 3 days because of snow. So if it's off tomorrow, maybe I will try to record again. But that's about it. See ya.